Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these really cute two buns and this everyday makeup look. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what's your favorite natural hairstyle, protective hairstyle, any hairstyle. I would love to know. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I've already pre-parted my hair so that I can see if the part in the back looks straight. And we're working on a twist out. So yeah, and as you can see, my hair is purple. This is not dye, it's hair paint wax. If you want to see how I did this, then go ahead and check out the iCards. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this part out a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna section off this half so that it's out my way so I can work on this side. So I'm just gonna take some water and spray my edges and just all around the perimeter of the part and everything like that, so that I can go ahead and smooth that down with just water, and then I'm gonna go again with some gel and smooth it down. So usually when I start smoothing my hair down right before, I go ahead and see where I want to place my buns. Sometimes I'll do it more high up here, sometimes I'll do it lower on my side or towards the back. I think today I'm going to do it like in the middle to where it's kind of high but in the middle of my head. So yeah, I think I'm going to do it right there. And the kind of scrunchies I use for my hair are these like fabric scrunchies. I try not to use the scrunchies with the little gold, like the little silver piece, combining them because that rips out your hair. So I usually always use these, and these are super stretchy and easy to use. I think they're by the brand Goody, and they're really inexpensive. I think you can find them at Walmart or a local beauty supply, honestly. Alright. Now I'm going to move on to the second puff, and then I'll come back to the first one later to make sure that all my hair is laid down and to do the bun. Alright, so now that my two ponytails are done, I'm going to focus on smoothing down all the flyaways, and then I'm going to do the buns. Alright, so now that I have finished my hair and cleaned my hands of all the purple hair paint wax, I'm going to start on my makeup. So for today, I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look. And for that, I don't really do much with my makeup. It's really like a light, natural type of makeup look. I like to look like I have a little something to enhance my features, but not too much to where it looks like I have a ton of face makeup on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all what I do. So first I go ahead and fill in my brows with a brown powder. Right now I'm using my Morphe palette, and I'm using this brown shade right here. This is the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just using this shade because it makes my eyebrows look really natural and it just fills them in very well. So that's why I use my eyeshadow. I have a brow pencil, but I mainly use that only for when I don't have a lot of time and I need to go ahead and fill in my brows really quickly, because I'm gonna be honest, a brow pencil does help with time efficiency, but I think if I have a little bit more extra time, then I'm gonna pull out my eyeshadow palette because it makes for a more natural look. So now I'm just gonna make sure all my brow hairs are facing upward and going in the direction that the hairs grow in. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my concealer brush, and my NARS concealer is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Medium Dark 2 Caramel. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to apply that to my, and I'm going to apply that over my eyebrows. And I'm going to do a little bit under here, just so it blends. Because there's a little too much over my brow right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my chin because I was going to do that anyway, and yeah, I don't want to waste product. Alright, so to prime my face, I'm going to be using this Belif, the True Cream Aqua Bomb, and it's a really small sample size because I got it as like a reward from Sephora. But I really need to buy the full size because, oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. It's so good. It's really moisturizing, but it's light at the same time. So yeah, I actually got this same thing, but like the actual full size for my sister for Christmas. But I don't even know if she used it because I haven't heard her say anything about it. But man, I kind of wish I would have got myself one. It was like this nice little holiday kit, and it came with a facial cleanser, this Aqua Bomb, and eye cream. Yeah, it came with an eye cream too. That thing was like $38, but the value was $55, so I felt like it's a steal. Might as well grab it. Because I think the Aqua Bomb by itself is around $30 alone. So I figured I'd get that, but I really should have got one for me and one for today because, oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Alright, so now that I'm done basically carving out my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer to some spots that I want to cover up. And then I'm going to start to blend. Now that I'm done blending, I'm going to just go in with my foundation powder and my foundation brush. Just press the brush into the powder and start. Now I'm going to take my blush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio Blush. I'm going to take this light pink shade right here and go ahead and apply it to my cheeks. So now for the highlight, I'm going to take this Sephora fan brush and this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Golden Flower Crown, and it's this golden color, and apply that to my cheekbones. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara. And I'm going to be using my favorite mascara, the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. And it's very new, so the mascara product is actually really like runny, but I love that it's new. I've been using like an old one for the longest, and I finally just got this, and I love it all over again. Yeah, and that's basically it for the mascara. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. with my cotton swab. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lip gloss. My tube actually busted and I had another lip gloss and I can't find it all of a sudden, so from the tube that busted, I put it in this container. So yeah, because I'm not gonna waste no perfectly good lip gloss. And that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below what's your favorite hairstyle, whether it's a natural hairstyle, protective hairstyle, whatever you want to say. Put in the comments down below because I would love to know. And also turn on your post notifications so you will be notified each and every time I upload. And thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.